At the farthest quiet edge of the solar system lies a mysterious frozen icy shell. The Oort Cloud stands as a silent unseen watcher quietly encircling our home star system, never directly observed by human eyes. Tonight follow its slow distant cosmic breath, gently release every trace of heavy weariness and seek a warm sense of belonging within this forgotten tranquil interstellar realm. Do you ever feel deeply lonely wandering through daily life, longing for a quiet secluded corner to rest your weary soul? The Oort Cloud rests calmly at the outermost boundary of the vast solar system, resembling an enormous gentle cradle made of pure frozen ice. It shelters countless wandering lost comets and guards the final peaceful quietude of the entire solar system. Close your eyes, allow this timeless light-year spanning tale to carry your drifting mind into profound serene dreams woven by the silent deep cosmos. The solar system does not end at its outermost planetary boundary, for the quiet expansion of the Oort Cloud marks the true distant edge of our celestial home. This wordless colossal cosmic giant gently embraces endless shimmering starlight and cold pure ice within its boundless soft arms. Tonight let this distant quiet boundary become the peaceful ending point of your wandering thoughts. Wash away trivial noisy distractions from daytime hours and drift safely into undisturbed sleep beneath the vast starry sky, wrapped inside the tender protection of the Oort Cloud. If you could travel endlessly toward the outermost boundary of the solar system, flying past the distant icy planet Neptune and crossing the cold desolate Kuiper belt, you would eventually arrive at a vast invisible cosmic barrier. This immense spherical shell is known as the Oort Cloud, a real existing celestial structure never truly witnessed by human eyes. Tonight curl up beside softly flickering bonfires and follow this effortless, tranquil tale to wander through the quiet eternal life of this distant cosmic entity. It resembles a reclusive hermit faithfully watching over the solar system, dwelling in extreme freezing temperatures far away from gentle warm sunlight, silently weaving timeless slow dreams crafted by flowing eternity. It never requires validation or confirmation from human detectors, for its constant quiet companionship alone forms one of the softest, most tender footprints scattered across the boundless universe. The ancient formation of the Oort Cloud creates a tender heartfelt tale about cosmic exile and destined belonging. During the youthful chaotic era of the early solar system, countless rocky icy debris were ruthlessly thrown outward by the powerful gravitational pull of massive gas giants. These scattered fragments never faded into empty dark outer space. Instead, trapped by faint distant gravitational forces, they settled permanently within this remote frozen spherical shell, discovering their final peaceful safe haven. The Oort Cloud naturally became a permanent homeland for wandering comets. Hidden within this desolate corner, forgotten by warm sunlight, every icy fragment drifts slowly like hibernating ancient creatures, retaining their purest untouched form beneath extreme freezing temperatures. This quiet loneliness bestowed by the indifferent universe never fills its vast emptiness with sorrow, instead gifting it profound calm, steadiness transcending the limitations of mortal measurable time. Take a quiet moment to imagine the simple tranquil life cycle of the distant Oort Cloud. No blazing stellar flames burn nearby, no chaotic planetary movement stir its silent surroundings, only absolute stillness. Hovering near the cold freezing point of deep space, it endlessly orbits the distant faint sun, maintaining its faithful gentle path even when sunlight weakens into a dim distant glimmer barely brighter than a tiny flickering firefly. It acts as an invisible protective barrier surrounding the solar system, quietly absorbing stray interstellar dust and neutralizing potential cosmic dangers, merging harmful drifting fragments into its own vast icy mass throughout unimaginably prolonged eras. It slowly transforms scattered cosmic chaos into delicate natural order, shaping profound serene beauty from endless solitude. It never rushes to display its quiet existence to humanity, for it understands deeply that true eternal presence requires no witnessing gaze or external recognition. Occasionally a small number of loose icy fragments break free from the Oort Cloud's gentle embrace, subtly disturbed by faint distant gravitational tugs. These liberated travelers transform into breathtaking luminous comets, dragging long shimmering tails as they dive toward the warm bright center of the solar system, craving one fleeting glimpse of long-forgotten sunlight. The Oort Cloud observes every quiet departure with gentle patient tenderness, resembling a kind wise elder silently watching children journey away from their peaceful home. It fully comprehends the irresistible longing for warmth hidden deep within every frozen celestial fragment. Therefore it never attempts to block their peaceful departure, remaining stationary in quiet faithful waiting. Even when these departing comets slowly dissolve and fade away beneath intense solar heat, the Oort Cloud remains unchanged, continuing to shelter countless icy travelers that choose to stay within its frozen tranquil boundaries. Within this repeating cycle of quiet departure and gentle reunion, it builds an unbreakable dam of destined cosmic balance, steady, firm, and eternally unyielding. If human souls could endure the extremely long journey across hundreds of millions of kilometers and quietly observe the solar system from the Oort Cloud's distant perspective, an unbelievably magnificent scenery would unfold. Countless transparent icy bodies shimmer faintly within the endless darkness, scattered gracefully like polished diamonds embedded inside a vast frozen cradle. The Oort Cloud never grows desolate or barren. Beneath extreme cold, on the contrary, it holds one of the most extensive, ancient storage archives of the entire solar system. Every fragmented relic recording the solar system's distant birth and early evolution is carefully sealed and preserved beneath thick layers of pure frost. It remains gently silent, so distant and mysterious that human exploration has never fully lifted its hidden veil. This subtle natural tension between passive concealment and slow gradual discovery maintains its elegant noble sense of quiet detachment, separating its pure icy world from the restless curious mortal civilization. As your consciousness slowly drifts to a peaceful halt at this frozen cosmic boundary, all trivial troubles and noisy distractions from daily life become completely frozen and erased by the profound quiet void. The Oort Cloud will continue its timeless eternal watch regardless of human observation and regardless of the shifting cosmic tide sweeping across empty space. It stands faithfully as the outermost gatekeeper of the solar system, holding up a soft invisible protective umbrella within the deepest, darkest corners of the vast universe. Every lonely wandering soul and every drifting celestial fragment will eventually settle into this soothing stillness. Every chaotic earthly noise will gradually fade, smoothed away by endless layers of gentle ice. Allow your heartbeat to soften and calm completely, peacefully embracing the faint cold tranquility flowing from the distant edge of the cosmos. Drift slowly into deep undisturbed sleep, safely wrapped within the timeless loving embrace of the Oort Cloud, dwelling within your own quiet star-filled dream.